Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to verify your account or confirm your age on X. First, open your profile by tapping your icon in the top right corner. From there, go into Settings and Privacy, then select Security and Account Access, and open the Security section. Here, you'll see an option called ID verification. This is used for account or age verification on X. However, to access this feature, you need an active premium subscription. To upgrade, go back to your profile icon in the top left corner and look for the premium option. Tap it, and you'll be able to upgrade your account. In most cases, it starts from around $8 per month, depending on your region. Once you subscribe to premium, you'll gain access to verification features along with other additional perks that you can review on the subscription page. So basically, the only way to currently verify your account is by subscribing to X Premium. If this helped you out, don't forget to press like and support the video.